2023, GRA will have onboarded about 600 taxpayers with an additional 1,000 businesses joining the platform by the close of the year. As we buy from VAT-registered businesses, let us demand for VAT invoices and help build a better Ghana in the process. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to all of these initiatives, the GRA is also outdooring a short code today, which is a diagnostic tool that will help you check on your tax status with the click of a button. So the *880 hash that Reverend Amishadai was able to get us, *880 hash shortcode, has been designed to quickly scan your tax records and provide you with a feedback on your status as a taxpayer. I encourage all of us to immediately check our status and to know where we stand. I also encourage us to quickly make good on our tax status if we are found to be non-compliant. In fact, if you are found to be non-compliant, it's very important that you quickly get compliance. You see, because I know that the GRA is looking for money. So they will go to people who have not been compliant, and then you complain that they are harassing you. So the best antidote to harassment is to just comply. And you can sit in your bedroom and file online, pay what is due, and get your electronic tax certificate. And when any GRA officer knocks on your door, you just smile and show them your electronic tax certificate and say, bye-bye, I don't need to see you here. So it's a very important tool for us in terms of complying. So the taxpayers portal on which these solutions sit has several other features in addition, such as the filing of tax returns, tax payment, refunds, and application for tax reliefs. The thinking behind all of these innovations is to provide a shift in attitudes towards tax payment so that we all become law-abiding citizens, contributing our quota to national development. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, payment of taxes has never been a pleasant thing, even though it remains a national duty that we have all been called to. That is why I'm particularly happy that GRA is introducing products such as the electronic tax clearance certificate, which enables taxpayers in good standing to be officially declared as tax compliant. The Revenue Administration Act of 2016 prescribes the categories of persons who are required to request for a tax clearance certificate. For example, all professional bodies are required to ensure that their members have obtained a tax clearance certificate indicating that they are in good standing with the GRA before their practicing licenses are renewed. The Lands Commission requires a tax clearance certificate for land title registration and transactions, while ministries, agencies, and local government authorities are to request a tax clearance certificate before you can bid for contracts and submit tenders for the supply of goods and services. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the month of April each year is designated as a Tax and Good Governance Month in Ghana. Section 124, subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act of 2015 and the Revenue Administration Act provide that a person shall file a tax return to the Commissioner General not later than 4 months after the end of the previous year. This is a month, the month of April, set aside to bring awareness on tax issues while encouraging all eligible persons to file their annual income tax returns. This month we should all have a national conversation on taxes, how we should pay, why we should pay, of the taxes we pay, and the consequences of non-compliance. And I would also like to use this opportunity to ask the GRA to turn their attention more on the millions of individuals and many enterprises that do not file taxes. For the most part, we tend to concentrate more and more on those who have already filed. That's the easy way out. But there's so much more. The gap is for those who have not filed their taxes. And we should be setting targets for our officers to be bringing in people into the tax net. That is how we will widen the net. And so it's very important, Reverend Ameshadai, that we should be focusing on bringing people into the tax net. There are millions who just have never filed taxes, and we should look at making sure we can bring them into the tax net. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot conclude my address without touching on our core duty of tax payment. Let me use this platform to urge all Ghanaians, and indeed all who earn incomes in Ghana, to faithfully submit their tax returns and to declare any taxes due. Taxes are the lifeblood of any country and are used to build nations. When we faithfully declare and pay our taxes, we will be in a position to hold the government accountable to what our tax money is being used for. Ladies and gentlemen, let us really join hands to develop our country. The reforms that have been introduced through digitalization, ladies and gentlemen, has made it easy to get a TIN number because of the Ghana card. It's easy to get a bank account or a mobile money account because of mobile money interoperability. Today, it is easy to check your tax compliance status online. It is easy to file your taxes online. It is easy to pay your taxes online, and it is easy to get a tax clearance certificate electronically. We have therefore put in place, ladies and gentlemen, all the building blocks for effective domestic revenue mobilization in Ghana. I never thought I would be able to say and make this statement this soon, but I'm very glad that we have gotten to this point. At any point in time, given the tools that have been put in place, at any point in time, we will know who has filed their taxes and who has not filed. We will also know which property owners have paid their property taxes and who have not. Anybody can find their tax status. So it is incumbent on the GRA to leverage all these pillars and digital technology to ensure and enforce compliance. I can say, without any fear of contradiction, that not many countries in Africa are in the position that Ghana is in today with all these pillars that have been put in place. Frankly, I'm so proud of what the Ministry of Finance under Honorable Ken Ofori-Atta and the GRA under the leadership of Reverend Dr. Ameshadai have been able to accomplish in this area. Congratulations. Congratulations. So it is possible for us, ladies and gentlemen, if we put our minds to it, it is possible to build systems that exist in the developed and advanced countries. And we are showing by what we are doing that we are putting in place these systems here in Ghana. And on this note, ladies and gentlemen, I declare the electronic tax clearance certificate, the compliance short code, the online filing, and the Tax and Good Governance Month duly launched. Thank you very much for your attention.
Mr. Kwabena Boateng, is a board member of the Ghana Revenue Authority. And we also have Mr. Ernest Akore from the Ministry of Finance. We also have in our presence Mr. Samuel Ejeyata.
Was established in 2009 as a measure of the three existing revenue agencies: Customs, Excise and Preventive Service, Internal Revenue Service, and Value Added Tax Service, and the Revenue Agencies Governing Board (RAGB). The authority has over the years ensured that appropriate technology is incorporated into its processes and procedures. These initiatives have seen the authority move from complete paper-based processes and procedures to e-platforms in line with best world practices. Nothing feels good without securing your tax clearance certificate quickly to tender foreign projects. For this, the Ghana Revenue Authority has gone digital with the Electronic Tax Clearance Certificate, ETCC. Apply and complete your ETCC request and get it in no time. You can also check your tax compliance status and keep track of your tax records anytime. You can download the Taxpayers app on www.taxpayersportal.com to file your tax returns online easily. Please print out your ETCC when it is ready. You may use the new GRA shortcode *880# to check your tax compliance for returns, filing, and payment. Verify your ETCC or check your vehicle income tax VIT status. Call 0800-900-110 or WhatsApp 055-299-0000 or 020-063-1664 for assistance. No long things here. Easy ETCC, the best way to get your tax clearance certificate. GRA, Integrity, Fairness, Service.